Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be checking out the 5 best dog clippers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research of the markets. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below, and sure subscribe to our channel for future review videos. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Pet Expert Dog Clippers. The Pet Expert Dog Clippers is low noise, low vibration. The operation is silent almost even at a high-speed setting for the clippers. I love the fact that it is cordless. It has 4 guide combs, the 3rd or the 6th of September 12mm, stainless steel scissor, stainless steel comb, nail clipper, nail file, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning brush more. Pet Expert Dog Clippers has a turbo speed up button that enable increase and lower speed instantly with high efficiency trimming. Titanium and ceramic blade is adjustable in different range. 360 degrees charging base ensures the dog clippers can be charged at any angle. This 3.7 volt superior rotating motor provides a limitless supply of power for fast trimming hair and cutting smoothly. LCD battery indicator screen. This built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable. It can enable a 3 hours charge with 200 minutes long-time power supply, perfect for long-time grooming work. Number 4. Sminneker Animal Clippers. The Sminneker Animal Cordless Clippers. This new professional wireless pet clipper set will provide you and your pets with an excellent cutting experience. Let your pets have their hair groomed with stress-free comfort in their own house. The blade is made of ceramic and titanium, which ensures safety without losing its sharpness, to trim pet hair with high efficiency. The ceramic blade will stay sharp forever. Sminneker Pet Cordless Clippers can provide 3 to 6-9 to 12 mm guide combs, and you can safely trim your pet. The R-shaped edge design prevents you from accidentally cutting your pet's skin. It has a precision motor, low vibration and ultra-quiet design. Work noise with only about 50 decibels, to help the pet feel at ease. It will provide 24 months warranty for the pet clippers. Number 3. Oneisel Dog Clippers. The Oneisel Pet Hair Clippers set keeps your pets always looking good. It's very useful both in home and profession salon use. Complete new user-friendly, with limiting comb. This clipper ensure you a safe cutting and neat and tidy hair result. No more expensive bills for pet grooming, and you can do it easily. The powerful motor of professional dog clippers. Oneisel clippers. These dog grooming clippers also come with 10 tools. It has a precision motor, low vibration and ultra-quiet design, to free it from work noise with only about 60 decibels, to help the pet feel at ease, not afraid of haircuts anymore. To include charging for 5 hours, pet grooming clippers can sustain uses of 70 minutes. It has the cordless clipper and titanium acute angle blade combining with the ceramic movable blade for smooth and efficient cutting. 4 attachment guide combs. Number 2. Wahl Cordless Animal Clippers. The Wahl Professional Cordless Animal Clippers. This kit is designed for full body clippings of all breeds. The lithium-ion power gives you uncompromised cutting performance with flexibility to groom anywhere. Wahl's quick charge and up to 2-hour runtime are exactly what you need. The kit comes with color guide combs that make it easy to find your desired coat length. Wahl Professional Animal Trimmer 9766. The best self-sharpening precision ground high-carbon steel blades stay sharp longer. Easily cuts the thickest coats with 1.5 times more power. A great job on the medium coat and double-coated clipping. It can be used for poodles, ollies and shepherds, also dogs with long coats and silky coats. Made in the USA. Number 1. Oneisel Dog Shaver Clippers. The Oneisel Dog Shaver Clippers noise when working is only about 50 dB. It can ensure your pet is comfortable throughout the grooming process. It will help your pet feel at ease, not afraid of cutting hair anymore. It has rechargeable dog clippers with a built-in battery. It can be used cordless and also used when charging. Oneisel Dog Shaver Clippers. This upgrade stainless steel fixed blade and ceramic moving blade can provide excellent cutting performance and long life. The detachable blade for ease of changing and cleaning, which offer ultimate grooming versatility. Included a stainless steel scissor, a stainless steel comb, an oil bottle and 6 guide guards. The adjustable clipping comb is applicable for clipping hair of different lengths. Li-ion battery is good for exceptional flexibility.